Hello, this video will teach you the names of the countries of Europe in Irish. Tíortha na hOrpa means the countries of Europe. Tíortha na hOrpa. The first country we meet is An Oster. An Oster. An Oster. An Bosnia Herzegovina. An Bosnia Herzegovina. An Ungar. An Ungar. An Ungar. An Ungar. An Roman. An Roman. An Roman. An Alban. An Alban. An Alban. Andorra. Andorra. An Belarus. An Belarus. An Belarus. An Velig. An Velig. An Velig. An Vulgar. An Vulgar. An Vulgar. An Croat. An Croat. An Croat. Poblacht na Seca. Poblacht na Seca. Poblacht na Seca. An Danmhairg. An Danmhairg. An Danmhairg. Era. 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 An Aston. An Aston. An Aston. An Inland. An Inland. An Inland. An Rank. An Rank. An Rank. An Garamon. An Garamon. An Garamon. An Greg. An Greg. An Greg. An Isheltir. An Isheltir. An Isheltir. An Islin. An Islin. on Iceland, on Idol, on Idol, on Idol, on Latvia, on Latvia, on Latvia, Liechtenstein, 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 on Lithuan, on Lithuan, on Lithuan, Luxembourg, 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 on Vakadon, on Vakadon, on Wakadon, Monaco, 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 Montenegro, 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 on Erua, on Erua, on Erua, on Fallen, on Fallen, on Fallen, on Fortingale, on Fortingale, on Fortingale, on Rush, on Rush, on Rush, San Marino, San Marino, San Marino, on Terbia, on Terbia, on Terbia, on Tlovak, on Tlovak, on Tlovak, on Riocht Einthe, on Riocht Einthe, on Riocht Einthe, on Tlovain, on Tlovain, on Tlovain, on Spawn, on Spawn, on Spawn, on Tuolin, on Tuolin, on Tuolin, on Elvish, on Elvish, on Elvish, on Turk, on Turk, on Turk, on Ukran, on Ukran, on Ukran. On Vatican, on Vatican, on Vatican. Voiveden, Voiveden, Voivodina. On Voldov, on Voldov, on Voldov. So those are the countries of Europe in Irish. Slán go fóill. Bye for now. Folum Gaelg le Gaelar. Learn Irish with Gaelar.